Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Yazid Alaufa, SN interviewer.
My name is Nabil Imada Putra, SN Kandidat A.
My name is Muhammad Arda Turan, SN Kandidat B.
What's your name?
My name is Nabil.
My name is Muhammad Arda Turan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
I'm from Malaysia.
Which school do you go to?
I'm go to Mitra Industri Vocational High School.
I'm go to Mitra Industri Vocational High School.
Now, let's talk about reading. Candidate A, how often do you read for fun?
I read book 3 or 4 times a week. I usually read at night before I sleep. Reading makes me calm and happy.
What kind of things do your friends like reading?
Some of my friends like reading, but some do not. They like playing games more than reading books.
Candidate B, what was the last things that you read online?
The last thing I read online was a short story on a website. It was about friendship. I also read some news on social media.
How old were you when you learned to read?
I was about 6 years old when I first learned to read. My teacher and my parents helped me.
Candidate A, have you read a good book this year?
Yes, I have. I read a storybook about adventure. It was very good.
Was it interesting?
Yes, it was very interesting. The story made me excited and curious.
Will you read it again in the future?
Yes, maybe I will read it again because I really like the story.
Now, let's talk about the internet. Candidate B, where you learn on the internet?
We can learn many things from the internet. We can learn English, science, cooking, and many other things. The internet helps students study.
Do you prefer using a phone or computer to go on the internet?
I prefer using a phone because it is easy and simple. I can use it anywhere.
Candidate A, how often do you chat online with your friend?
I chat with my friend almost every day. We talk about school, homework, and hobbies.
What do you like doing most on the internet?
I like watching videos and listening to music. Sometimes I search for information for my homework.
Now, candidate B, please tell me something about what you like doing on the internet.
I like watching educational videos and playing online games. I also like using social media to talk with my friends. The internet is fun, but I try not to use it too long.
Now, in this part of the test, you are going to talk together. Here are some pictures that show different holidays. Do you like these different types of holiday? Say why or why not? And I say that again. Do you like these different types of holiday? Say why or say not.
From those 5 options, I like the beach. The most, I love the sound of the wave and playing in the water.
I like a holiday in the mountains and camping. The air is cool and the view is beautiful.
I don't really like the mountain because it is cold and tiring.
I don't really like the beach because it is hot and sandy.
I also like staying with family and school trip because I can spend time with people I care about.
Yes, that is fun too. But for a holiday, you choose the beach and I choose the mountains.
Do you think staying at a campsite is fun?
Yes, I think camping is fun. We can cook together and tell stories at night.
Yes, I agree. Camping is fun, but sometimes it is a little cold at night.
Do you think going to stay with family is cheap?
Yes, it is cheaper because we do not need to pay for a hotel.
Yes, I think it is cheap and comfortable.
Now, is it more too fun to have holiday with family or with friends? Can that be?
I think going with family is better because I feel safe and happy with them. Yeah.
And what about you, candidate A?
I think going with family is better because I feel safe and happy with them.
Do you ever feel tired after a holiday? Candidate A?
Yes, I have. I felt tired after climbing a mountain because it was very far.
And you, candidate B?
Yes, I have. I felt tired after a school trip because we walked all day.
Thank you, Nabil and Arda. And that is the end of the test. Congrats.